Okay, so in this, you'll notice that it is a little more challenging because there's more letters involved, but we have three different variables. We have the t's, the u's, and the v's. So you just do the t's first. We have t to the 6 times t to the 1. When you multiply the same base, you add the exponent. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Then you move down the line. U to the 0 times u to the 9. Once again, we're multiplying, so we add the exponents. 0 plus 9 is 9. And then we have v times v to the 4th. When it's just a variable like that, we have v to the 1 times v to the 4th. So then we just have v to the 5th. Same thing with this problem. We look at all of the letters. Start with the first letter. We have s to the 4th times s to the 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. Make sure you bring the cursor down. T to the 1st times t to the 3rd gets you t to the 4th. U to the 5th times u to the 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Now be careful here. We have v times v. It's really v to the 1 times v to the 1, so that is v squared. This actually trips a lot of students up when they don't actually see exponents. When you don't see an exponent, there's really a 1 there. So you can say r times r, which is r to the 1st times r to the 1st. So we add the exponents. And then the same thing with the s's. S times s gets you s squared. And then p to the 0 times p to the 6 is just p to the 6, because you're just adding the exponents. Be careful, q times q, there's really 2 1s there, so that's why it's q squared. R to the 4th times r to the 1st, even though there's not an exponent written, you can draw a little 1 there. 4 plus 1 is 5. S to the 0 times s to the 6, you add the exponents. So q to the 0 times q to the 85th, you add the exponents. R to the 62nd times r to the 0 is r to the 62nd. Be careful, s times s is s to the 2nd. And then we have t to the 34th. So that is how you do it. If you want, make sure you view this video. If you have specific questions, feel free to email me, and then I can log into your account and see where your issues are happening.